How to highlight objects in Capcut PC. First, import the video clip to the timeline. Duplicate the video clip and place it above. Select the duplicated clip. Go to the Mask tab. Click on the circle mask. Adjust the size and position. To make highlight effect, select the main video clip. Go to the Adjustment, then click on Curves tab. Find the Luma curve. Then right-click to hold and drag it down. Now highlight effect applied. The edge is looking sharp. Go to the mask option. Increase the feather to 1. Now it looks fine. Now to follow the object, move the playhead to the start. Select the upper layer. Go to the Mask tab. Add keyframe. Now move the playhead to the right where object is moved. Then move the circle mask according to the object's position. Reposition and resize the mask. Capcut will automatically insert keyframes as you move the masking circle, ensuring a smooth transition. Continue moving to the end of the video like this. And that's how you can highlight objects in Capcut PC. Thanks for watching.